Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Got him. Oh, I found the trick. That's 2 in a row. Oh yeah, big fish too. Yep. Got him. That's a big fish. Oh, I hooked him funny. Oh, I foul hooked him. I foul hooked him. Well, they just do not want to eat, so even this one, I foul hooked him like crazy. But foul hooked him bad. But they do not want to eat, I tell you that. Oh my goodness. Decent little fish. Hopefully he's all right. I'm right in the stomach. Sorry, buddy. Didn't do that on purpose. Oh, he'll be fine. Decent little fish. That was a great blow up. That was awesome. Good job, fishy. Thank you for eating. That was awesome. Whew, it's been tough. Really tough day, hot day, but little bitty guy. I'll take it. We're gonna watch the kayak today. My God! Jeez! That's all right. I got a long paddle back too. This is ridiculous. Might as well go whitewater rafting. Oh God. No way. No way. No way. Oh my gosh. 2 cranks down and he came off and I hooked him. See if he'll. Oh my gosh. I got it. Oh, they want the big bait. They want the big bait. They want the big bait. Oh, he's barely hooked. They want the big bait. Yeah, they want the big bait. That's awesome. That is awesome. Ow. Not too big on the bull wake. I've only threw it like 3 times and I've had 2 fish blow up on it. And I've had a tough day. I'm confused right now. I don't know if they're just turning on because it's dark or they really are keen in on a big bait. But I've been throwing like a small baby 1- and stuff throughout the day. And I mean, I've maybe got like 1 and I just got 2 back to back. Missed 1 and then caught 1, so. Maybe they really just want the big wake bait right now, I don't know. But I'll take it. I'm gonna keep throwing this around until it gets dark. Whew.